Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yes, my people, I don't know, say if I agreed one more time again. True Jamaican vibes. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Trust me, the country life is very nice. Trust me, I take you a walk in the countryside. Love it in St. Elizabeth. Nice place to be on the farm right now. It's a nice, cool evening. It's a very nice, cool evening, okay? Somebody up on the tobacco farm right now. I love farming. I love farming. Growing up from I'm about 14 years old or so. I love farm tobaccos. It was a joy when I see those tobacco growing and stuff. So just take a look at my farm anyway. Fire read. Look at this one right here. So them call this one the cow tongue tobacco. The cow tongue tobacco. So this is the cow tongue one. Have some big leaves. Some very huge leaves. Right now we need some rain. We need some rain right now. Place is so dry. Tobacco them need some rain. Badly. Badly. My people, nothing cannot beat the country life and the farming. In my spare time, I just farm. I just farm anything that I feel like to farm. And I love it. I love what I do. It's about few weeks, like about 2 weeks or so. A bit busy and stuff, so I never really get to come on the farm. So a lot of damage have take place. Like you have some worms. Some worms can damage the plants them and stuff then damage the tobaccos them. Look at this one right here. Look at the leaves. See? Eaten by worms. A worm will take like about 30 minutes or less to eat off one tree of these tobaccos. Yes, my people, I like it. I like what I do. So I will give you a full view of the farm. Full view of the farm, alright? Look at this worm right here. Look at it. See? Worms like crazy. Worms. Just look up at how they eat down the plants. Just look. So if you're missing like few days, you can lose a whole crop. So I farm sweet peppers and stuff for pumpkin, but right now I'm just giving a view of the tobaccos. But I have some sweet pepper right here. Let's take a look. They need to weed out and stuff. I have some Canadian sweet pepper right here. These are some Canadian sweet peppers. I like to farm because I'm more like you, like organic. I don't really like to go on the street and buy stuff because a lot of chemicals are on the stuff, so I prefer to grow my own crop. And I also have a pumpkin right here. So that's a pumpkin right there. So nothing cannot beat the country life in Jamaica. Have many different types of trees. So right now I'm going on a tour on a goat farm same way. This ram goat is about like 7 months. 7 months, 1 year. And it's also mango time in Jamaica. A lot of mangoes. So we have a coconut tree same way. In the early morning, have a cool drink of jelly, wash off your heart and enjoy yourself for the rest of the day. And also we have a soursop tree right here. Look at the soursop tree right here. Have a cup of soursop tea before bedtime. It just calm the nerves. Good for cancer also. Thank you for watching my channel, Fire Read. Like, share, and subscribe. And also I have a mango tree right here. Yeah. So this is my mango tree right here. We call this the rabbit mango. The rabbit mango have a lot of mango on it. I just like to be in the country. On the weekend, I will take a ride onto the beach or any river close by. But the closest river to us right now that I enjoy, it's the Guts River. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty. So thank you for watching True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Fair read. Thank you.